This video will show you how to install the optional Molle panel on your door card. This hardware is included with the Molle panel. Each side will use 4 spacers, screws, and nuts. You'll need a drill bit, not included, that is larger than the screw and smaller than the spacer. To start with the install, align the Molle panel using the door card lines as a guide. Orient the Molle panel as shown. The pointy thingy shall face upwards. Now use a power drill to make the first hole in the lower left corner using the Molle panel holes as a guide. Secure the panel with your hand to make the first hole. You can also use a clamp to prevent unwanted movement. Now place a bolt over the hole that was drilled. This will help secure the panel for the next 3 holes. Place a nut and tighten. Make a second hole in the upper left corner. Align the Molle panel with the door card line. Use the power drill and place a screw and a nut. With the 2 screws secured, the Molle panel will be held in place for the final 2 holes. Make the 2 final holes in any order you like. Remove the 2 screws and the Molle panel. To complete the installation, a screw, spacer, and nut needs to be installed in each hole that was drilled. Remember, pointy thingy facing upwards. Start by inserting the screw through the Molle panel. Then place the spacer and hold everything with your hands. Get the screw through the Molle panel and place the nut on the back side. Only hand tighten the nut. Repeat the same for the remaining 3 holes. Go get a 7mm wrench and 2.5mm Allen from your toolbox. Tighten the screws. Optionally add blue Loctite to prevent nut from falling off the screw. Congrats, you've completed the install for the right side panel. Now repeat the same for the left side.